Hello everyone, I'm gonna try this software. They call it Ref In, right? Okay, I'm gonna try the trial version. You know how it look like. I already downloaded it. Okay, I'm gonna install it on my PC. When you fill the form, this is the setup you got. I'm gonna agree. I'm gonna go next. So this my license is only for 15 days. Okay, it looks like it's done. I'm gonna close it. Now I'm gonna open Microsoft Word. Look like I might need to activate my Microsoft Word. As you can see, it's here. Okay, I think I need to activate it first. Come to setting. I'm gonna paste my email here. Activate. Actually, I'm going even to compare it with Quilboot Pro. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna paste a text here. Okay, I wanna check the paraphrasing tool, this one here. Okay, what do I need to select the text first? I believe so. Okay, paraphrasing. Okay, so this is what he changed. As you can see here, I think this is what he changed. This one and this one. So this is what you got. This is the result. Attempted suspending fly for 3 months. Date between Russia and Ukraine. Ethiopian airline will fly to Russia capital again. Okay, this is what we got. I don't know. Let me try Quilboot. Alright. Let's see. So this is the output from ref in right, and this is the output from Quilboot. You can look it for yourself. Okay, this software is definitely a no-go for me. As you can see the difference. So Quilboot is definitely the best for me, absolutely. And then paraphrasing tool, you cannot check it for online. It's only when the document is on your desktop. Okay, so this is what you got actually with this software. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.